Today I wanted to recreate a makeup tutorial from my YouTube feed, and my most recent one is Zabrena's natural face makeup tutorial from her 2008 beauty trends video. I'll link that down below. And it just so happens that it is the simplest, easiest look that there is. So I'm gonna go ahead and recreate basically what she's done using the products that I own. So I probably look really strange. I have my face makeup and my brows on and nothing else. So the first thing that she did was she took a kind of shimmery neutral color. I'm going to use Fringe from ColourPop, and all she did was applied this all over the lids and kind of blended the edges a little bit. So after I finish this look, I think I'm going to go ahead and explain what I would do differently in order for me to wear this look and why. But anyway, moving on. After that, she applied a peachy toned blush. Peachy blushes don't really look that great on me, so I'm going to take this neutral, slightly warm undertoned pink blush. It's a really great, universally flattering shade. It's discontinued, but it's the Stila and Dancing with the Stars powder blush. Sorry if I keep looking down, my mirror is down here. Okay, and on her lips, she just had some, like a shiny lip balm, so I'm just going to apply a lip gloss. Again, I don't know if they even make this anymore. This is a Smashbox Reflection High Shine Lip Gloss. And I'll apply some mascara and be right back. Okay, there you go. This is Zabrena's natural face makeup finished. Super simple. This is something that I would wear out of the house if I was in a rush, or if I was really trying to look like I had absolutely no makeup on. But in general, if I was to, in most cases, if I was to sit down with the intention of applying makeup, I would go a little bit further. I would add a setting spray, which is not something that she did with her foundation, with her base makeup, because I have to. I have to have my setting spray. And with the mascara, I would also apply it on my lower lash line as well, on my lower lashes. As far as the blush goes, if I'm not going to contour, and I don't do heavy contour, I just do a little bit really far back. But if I don't do contour, I like a more neutral toned blush. So that I can kind of do the draping effect and kind of have it act as both. So I would either use a more neutral toned blush, or I would add a little bit of contour, and I would definitely add some highlight that's leans on the more natural side. And for the eye makeup, I love the lid color, but with my hooded eyes, I need a little bit of something in the crease to kind of act as a shadow, so I would add just probably one taupey color in the crease to kind of give me a little bit of something there, and maybe probably carry that on the lower lash line just for a tiny bit of a drop shadow, because that really helps out with my eye shape. Kind of keeps my eyes from looking so downturned and tired. And I would tightline the upper lash line, just right underneath the lashes, nothing too visible. I would add some lip liner because my lips are not naturally very pigmented. And I do like a little bit more flush to my lips, so I probably add some lip liner and then put the gloss on and kind of blend it out quickly like that. Yeah, so that's what my personal take would be on it, and that's what I would add to it to kind of make it work for my face. If I had the intention of sitting down to do makeup and I wasn't in a rush, that's what I would do to kind of customize this look for me. But yeah, that's all I've got for you today. I will put Zabrena's video linked down below. My social media links are listed there as well, as always. And if you're new here, please subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and it really helps me out a lot. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time.